Hello friends, this is Heather the Fed Up Foodie. If you need an incredibly easy appetizer that is beautifully festive, then this pinwheel recipe is for you. Roasted red peppers add such a wonderful flavor to the pinwheels. However, because they are juicy, it's critical to dry them off by placing them on layers of paper towels and patting them dry. This process may need to be repeated a few times, as this will help to ensure that the pinwheels don't become soggy. Making sure your cream cheese is softened to room temperature before making the filling will ensure that the other ingredients are evenly distributed in the cream cheese filling. At this stage, make sure to beat the cream cheese well before adding in the olives and cheddar cheese. Another element that makes this appetizer so tasty is the combination of the briny olives with the creaminess of the cheese. Also, I personally recommend using a sharp cheddar for that extra punch of flavor. If you have an opportunity to make homemade flour tortillas, oh my word, you will not regret it. However, store-bought tortillas work beautifully also. Just make sure to purchase the burrito size and that they are room temperature when rolling the pinwheels. A couple of things about rolling the pinwheels. Roll the tortilla as tight as possible and then roll in a sheet of plastic wrap. This will help the pinwheels to take shape. Once rolled, refrigerate no more than 2 hours. If they are chilled for a longer time, the peppers can leak. Serving them the same day will ensure that they don't become soggy. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.